This 2017 Airstream Basecamp 16NB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 16 feet 3 inches in length and features a river rock interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, smoke detector, stovetop burner, external shower, LP detector, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Airstream Basecamp 16NB is 2,585 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.